Now we're going to start focusing a bit more on profitability, specifically the work order profitability targets. We have a setting inside of System Settings that will allow you to set your benchmarks and have a visual representation in the work order. We're going to open up the work order button at the bottom of Preferences, and you're going to see there's a Gross Profits tab. Now, these are general placeholders. These may not be specific to you and your individual operation in your part of the country. But as a whole, minimum gross profit of a work order, 60% is uniform. You'll see examples for labor, parts, sublet, charge, tire, and wheel. You can manipulate those numbers individually to your liking. These are not bad numbers to roll with if you don't know where to start. And to be able to enter information there, you're going to select the checkbox for Use Gross Profit Targets by Item to be able to open them up. Once those system settings are put into play, here's how they behave in the work order. So we'll open up a repair order here. We got some items on it. We're going to utilize the F12 key on our keyboard. F12 is the shortcut that takes us straight to profitability. We do have some mentions here on the screen, as you can see, profit percentages, parts totals by item type in the jobs. What we're referring to is specifically hitting F12 on the keyboard. Those same percentages, those benchmarks from system settings, will now be compared to this specific work order and let us know when there's anything that may need attention in highlighted in red and blinking. Now, my total work order profit exceeds my target, so I may be less likely to focus too much on my labor percentage being a touch off or my charges being a little bit less than they should be, as they represent a minority of the overall profits of the work order. And you can see here I'm over my target profit by $78.38. We'd recommend you use F12 on every single repair order, especially before contacting the customer.